everyone, and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. It may have seemed like my videos have been slightly out of touch lately, or maybe I haven't been speaking up as some of you may think I normally would. And I want to let a little secret out of the bag. I record these videos early. So this video you'll be seeing on Wednesday. I am recording this on Monday morning. And so I realized that all my videos were recorded before the protesting started, before a lot of this has gone down, and I've also experienced some sad news personally, and so I haven't been fully with this. So I apologize to my students and to any friends and family that are watching these videos and looking for art to be a spark of joy in their day. And I still want that to be the case, but I also believe, as Martin Luther King Jr. said, in the end, we will remember not the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends. And so all my students, all my friends, my family, I will not stay silent. Black Lives Matters. We need equality. We cannot say all lives matter until our Black lives matter. And so it's with a heavy heart that all of these things have been going on, and we all need to speak up. I know I'm a white woman, but we have to speak up. We have to be allies. We need to be there for everyone else who can't. And so remember, art can be a platform for your voice. My students, please be safe. Please, please, please use art as a platform to raise up your voice, to empower yourself. Make art, post it on social media, spread it, make posters, put it on your building. Please use art as your voice and stay safe. I want my students to always remember, please stay safe. Your life matters. I know a lot's going on in Chicago and it's scary times. I know this is getting posted on Wednesday, so maybe this will be out of touch again, but I didn't want to let these videos go by and for me not to say something, for me not to use, even though this is a small platform right now, and not use what I have. So I hope everyone's staying safe. I hope everyone's speaking up for those who are oppressed, because without people who are not oppressed, change doesn't happen. We need everyone to enact change. So my students, my friends, my family that are watching this, remember, art can be your vehicle, art can be your voice. Create a strong concept. Concept is, what is your art about, and make it have a meaning. Now, I also understand if you just want your art to be there to comfort you, that's also very valid, and we have lots of videos of art as therapy, art as a way to calm down and relax, and always use that power, use your resources. Art can be your resource. It can be your resource for a voice, for a change, or it can be your resource to relax and to calm down in these very stressful times. So I hope everyone's staying safe, and let's make some art with some meaning today. We're going to be making a paper chain of people holding hands. So we're going to start by folding our paper in half, and then in half again. Now we can open it up, we can see our 4 equal spots, and we're going to want to fold it like an accordion, so back and forth, and this one should go the other way. But that way at least we already had it even, and we didn't have to worry. So there we go, we got it like an accordion. We're actually going to make 2 people. We're going to put one here and one up here. Since we have it, it's so long and skinny, we don't want to do just one person. And we're going to draw this in pencil first. That way we make sure we do a nice job. So we're going to want a circle for the head. I'm going to draw lightly. We're drawing a circle. And then we're going to be drawing the arms going out. To the body. Then we're going to draw like a triangle coming down. And then bottom of the legs going up like the letter A. And now we should have enough room down here to do one more. So circle, and I'm gonna make this one a little smaller so it fits better. Arms going out. Second straight line going down for the legs. Bottom of the feet, going up like the letter A. And there's our two people. Now we're gonna cut them out, and since it's folded, they're gonna stay connected. Now with these people, what we're gonna end up doing is I'm gonna write stronger together on them. You can put whatever message you want, but remember, art can make a statement and can help enforce change. So I'm gonna be putting these up in my window. I'm gonna do a big chain of them. I'm also gonna be coloring them in with lots of different skin tones. So if you are watching this with your child, you can talk about different skin tones, how everyone looks different, but everyone deserves the same rights in our country. And my students that are listening to this, some of my older students, think about what message you want to say. What is on your mind? What are the thoughts that are going through your mind? And what message do you want to send to the rest of the world? Because your voice matters. So let's cut out the second one. I was just talking with my 6th graders about the artist Ai Weiwei, who is a Chinese artist, and he is under house arrest for his political art. He's making statements, and his art was his blog. Art can be so many different types of forms. It doesn't have to be just paper on pencil on paper. There are so many different ways you can express yourself that is art, and that can make a difference for the world. But remember, we are stronger together. So here I have my 2, and I actually quite like the fact that they're different sizes. I can connect them, so I have one very long chain. I like this. I'm probably going to keep going with this. And I'm going to write stronger together on. So now I'm going to go ahead and start coloring in my people. I'm not going to give a lot of detail to them. I'm just going to kind of go through with my different skin tones. And I don't have, now some boxes now are doing more and less. I'm just going to start to blend these colors together, thinking about the other videos where we learned about blending. Remember, when all the primary colors come together, that makes brown. And so we can just start playing with those colors. Now I'm going to write stronger together, but you can put whatever message best fits how you're feeling. Now I'm going to attach these two. If you had a bigger piece of paper, you could obviously make a larger chain. And there we go. There I have my message. Remember, it is so important to share your message. So I hope you guys thought today about what your message is and what you need to speak up for. I hope that you're able to use art as a way to amplify your voice, to make your voice louder, to have an impact on the world, because art can help make change. It has been throughout history, and it won't stop now. So please use all the resources in your toolkit. Art is one of those things. So my students, please stay safe, but don't stay quiet. Use art, use your resources, but please stay safe. And I hope that things get better. So, but not back to what they used to be, better. So that's all from Art with Miss Choate, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Have a wonderful day. Bye.